and today let's see how to book your practical driving test in UK. So simply go to Google and type practical driving test booking and then press enter. The very first link you see, just click it and then it will take you to this page. Just click start now and then it will ask you what type of test you have to take. If you are taking car, most probably car manual and automatic test, just click this and then you need to enter your information such as driving license number. And once you have entered your driving license number, then you will ask how have you been ordered by court to take an extended test. Just select no if you have not been, and that would be the option basically, unless you are disqualified driver or rider or something like that. And then it will ask you, do you have any special requirements? If you do need any special requirements, such as you have disabilities or conditions such as pregnancy, then select yes, otherwise select no, and then click on continue. And then it will ask you the preferred test date. So most probably the test dates are usually not available for the current month or the next month. So any preferred date after your next month, or maybe whatever date it is, just select that date when you want to take the test, and it will give you or provide you the dates around that time. So for example, if I have select 1st January, and then it will ask you here instructor's reference number. You can skip this part unless you want to mention your instructor's reference number, which is basically their the instructors. Yes, they are approved drive. All the approved driving instructors have their unique reference number. You need to add this if you want to use their car on the day of your test. You can still use their car if you skip this part, but it's just to make sure that the availability of that instructor is right according to their system as well. But if you are confident that your instructor would be available that day or time of your test, you can simply skip this part. Or if you are not using your instructor's car, you can also skip this part then as well. Just continue. And here you need to mention your postcode. So for example, if I write this one, and as you can see here, it is showing me the available tests, and telling me that the available tests are around 11th February. So you remember I entered the test date of around in 1st January, but it is showing me for the 11th February. So I just click here, and as you can see here, the white boxes are showing me the test days where the test dates are available, and these ones, the crossed ones, are booked. So for example, if I select I can also change the month here, but all these previous months dates have been booked. So either I can select from March or from February. So for example, if I select this 11th of February, then it's showing me the time that is available, which is 2:22 p.m. And for example, if I select 24th February, it is showing me the time is 11:01 a.m. that is available for this day. So for example, if I select this day, 11 a.m. 24th February, and I select continue, and then it's showing me, please complete your booking within 15 minutes. We have to, otherwise we're going to lose this chosen time. Once I click continue, then I have to fill this form in which I have to put the candidate details. Its title, name, address, town, postcode, and then email address and contact number. And then I click on, after filling this form, I click this payment details. Then it will take me to the payment details section. And here I will enter my payment details, and then I will continue. So once I have entered my card details, then I will click next, and I will come to this page where I have to confirm and pay. And once I do that, then my test date is booked, and I will get the confirmation message here and as well as in the email. Okay guys, this is the process. Good luck for your driving test. Thank you so much.